Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto lock feature on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on privacy and security. Here you should click on passcode and touch ID, then you should enter your Telegram passcode that you have set before, and then click on the auto lock feature down below and select the time period. If you wait for 1 minute, 1 hour or 5 hours, tap on the relevant one, and then it will be updated automatically. If you want to disable it, come back to this section, click on it again and tap on disabled, and it will be turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.